Get jig. 1 2 step in the box. 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 Get jiggy. Oh man.
Alright, so take a walk with me. Or we go cop our new rod real quick. See what they got in here, man. Ooh. Oh, this thing is crazy right here.
You need help, sir?
No, I'm fine. Damn, they got some shit in here. What's these, all electric vehicles? Nah, we ain't fuck with no electric vehicles. Ooh, what's this? I know this electric too. What's this? X7 2025. All right, thank you. Ooh, these 2025s interior looking crazy. Let's take a peek in here. Nice little peanut butter seats. I ain't even gonna lie, I like this full screen, full curve all the way around. That's tough. That's tough. I can't even hold you. Let's take a peek on the other side. See if they got a 2025 X6 in here. Ooh, this M2 looking crazy. Let's take a look on the inside of this. Ooh. Now that's crazy right there. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Manual too. Seats. I don't know how these seats is, man. Let me take a seat in these little thin seats. Yeah, these things definitely hug you. Not enough cushion though, like you really stuck in this one position though. But you probably feel like you're on a rocket ship in here. No, I'm just shopping around.
Got it.
So that thing is me. Oh, they got an X6 competition right here. And full comp, right, 2025. Let's see. Oh my God, this thing going for $150. Way out my price range. She looking mean though. She looking mean. I got the XM. She looking nice, black on black. All black, everything. You tint this out, this shit gonna go crazy. Yeah, this shit gonna be crazy. Right here, M4. I ain't see no M3s in here. I'm done with the coupes though, you know, I like all big bodies now. A lot of white seats looking crazy in here though. Yeah, closer view. I really fuck with them curved screens, but alright, that's what they got in the showroom, man. Next time y'all see me, y'all gonna see what I picked up. Let me talk to one of these sales reps real quick. Yo, what's going on, my people? Y'all already know it's your boy JLG back with another one. Today is a special one, man. I know pardon the weather, I just got back from the gym, and when I was about to do this video, the weather was straight, but then it just started raining out of nowhere. But I know last video was the travel vlog. We went to Barcelona and Italy, Rome to be exact. But before that, I did a previous video about the trackie, man. Trackie done got strike. You know, that was some bullshit, disappointed. But you know, we back, man. I told y'all, stay tuned, right? I told y'all I was gonna hop back to some shit, man. Guess what we in? Y'all probably already know from the description or the background, but let me introduce y'all to somebody special, man. My new baby, real quick. Ta-da! There she is. 2022 BMW X5M competition package. Man, y'all know I had to come trim on it, man. I can't hop in a trackie, then hop in some bullshit next, man. You know I need something that can keep up with it. Y'all know I love the speed, whatnot. Ain't she pretty? Ain't she pretty? Yes. Beautiful, man. She's been treating me well so far, man. Pardon that cut off. I got too close to the car. The fucking Apple CarPlay connected to the phone, but yes, ain't she beautiful? I ain't even gonna lie. The rain with the foggy weather making her look beautiful, baby. Especially with the color, the shades on. Yeah, she not one to be played with, man. I've been trying to hit people up, man. Whoever got a tracking in the area, Jersey and New York, man, you gotta hit me up, folks. We gotta test this thing out, because I did a poll on Instagram. People said this ain't fucking with a trackie, man. I don't know. I done had both, man. This thing quick. I ain't even gonna lie. She quick, man. Let me show y'all the interior. Ooh. Nice little black on black interior. X5M competition right here. I love these seats, man. I love how they light up right there. But it don't stay on while you're driving, only when the door's open. Take a seat inside real quick. Yeah. No black on black. I wish this was carbon fiber, but we'll be alright. Dashboard, you know, we got the M1, M2 options for your sport options when you want to race. M2 is like my sport mode. I already messed with the settings, and M2 is like my track settings, all out, full power. You already know we got the panoramic moon roof. This shit is huge. Like, let me show y'all from the outside. This fucking moon roof is huge, yo. She covered the whole car. You can't really tell on camera, but when you inside, it's like the whole thing is just like straight glass. Pop the trunk. Let me show you the back seat. Back seat. I love these little seat. Oh, if y'all don't know about the air freshener, now y'all know. I just put y'all on. This shit is that work right here. Seat belts. M seat belts. I like that. Little blue and red stripes. Back seat not too crazy. Trunk space. Trunk space is huge. Then you know we got the bottom tailgate. That's tough. I like that part. A little fancy. I mean, the luxury, this speed and luxury at the same time. Y'all know the trackie just all straight power work, engine work. This luxury and speed, like the amount of technology in this shit is crazy. Like, got the Apple CarPlay without connecting the wire to the phone. Menus in here. You know, we got 360 camera all the way around. 360 camera view. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Probably got thought in. I don't know how to work it like that. Pardon me. But you know, we got 360 all the way around. Rear, side. We got the top view too as well. I don't know how to do the top view. Front camera as well. Oh well, we'll mess with that later. Okay. Oh, we got the little apartment space or whatnot. Go ahead and pop this hood for y'all. Go ahead and show y'all the engine work real quick of this twin turbo, man. No, I'm gonna stay in something twin turbo supercharged. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. Once I throw them air, cold air intakes in here, she gonna be a problem. You gonna hear them turbos spooling. Yo, this it for this video, man. It's raining now. I was gonna do a little POV view, but I'm gonna say that for next video, man. Till next time, tune in, man. I'm gonna give y'all some more footage of the car, man. If y'all not following the Instagram already, I'm gonna put the link is in the bio. Also, I'm gonna put the description right here for the page or whatnot. But no, if y'all watch this far, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. All right. I'm gonna also throw some at the end of this video. I'm gonna throw the exhaust, how the exhaust sound too. What I did it earlier, another day, but. Yeah, what's going on, family? As you can see, the weather cleared up a little bit, so I'm gonna give y'all a little POV action, man. And I ain't even gonna throw it in sport mode or track for y'all. This is just regular. This is normal right here. Cruising comfort mode. Smoothest ride ever. Although I know I missed the one and the Trackhawk supercharger, but this shit fun too. Shit move too now. If y'all see in this Jersey, New York area, you got a track you want to line up, man, holla at me, you heard? I'm around with the shits, man. Hear that thing. Hear that thing purring, man. That's stock, bone stock, bro. Exhaust and everything. Mind you, like I said before, this comfort mode. It's not even sport. So imagine if I do this thing in sport or track mode. Definitely, you will hear this thing. We got a little bit of traffic, you know. See if it clear up after this little exit. Maybe good. Yo, and a couple things I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video also. See right there, in front of the door handle, you got the 1 and the 2. Then in front of that, you see the little seat sign. Get massage too. Also got massage settings in the car. Heated steering wheel, heated armrests. What else I forgot to mention? She can also drive herself as well too. So if you're thinking about getting a Tesla, don't do it. Get this instead. I can also drive by myself without touching the steering wheel. Let me activate it for y'all real quick. Let's see. Hold on, I haven't activated. Hold on, let me put it on for y'all real quick. Mode. Assisted driving. Here we go. Watch this. Merge for me real quick. Hold on. I ain't even activated. Can you activate? Press the button for activation. Driving assisted. There we go. Oh. Yes, sirski. Obviously, the warning gonna come on to touch the steering wheel, but we gotta get over here though. Activate it again real quick. Oh, look, braking and everything. Oh, we got traffic, so let me cut this off before I Mac up. Yeah, man, that's it for now. We running into traffic, so when the weather get nicer, less traffic, y'all, I'm gonna make sure I get this nicer POV for y'all. Cut up crazy, all right? Till next time.